Hey guys, I look a mess. Hair emergency girls. We got to get this stuff under control. Look at this. I let my roots grow out a little bit too far. My eyebrows, y'all. Let me zoom in for y'all. Don't judge me. Look at this. And ignore a crest of my eyes. Y'all look, I look busted up right now. Look at this. I need to shade these bad boys. And I need to bleach them along with this. Look at the hair. Ew. Yeah, it's been a while since I bleached my hair on camera. Y'all, I feel like I just been missing so much, and my makeup. I need to get back to the roots of this channel, which isn't long, but I was doing hair and makeup at first and I miss it. I just haven't, since I don't have like a dresser, I was like, I didn't have a place to record, but this is actually not bad. I'm on my floor, right in front of my mirror, so I can see everything. This might actually be the best place, and I can do my makeup videos now. So expect the makeup videos tomorrow. Man, I'm excited. We gotta get back to the roots, okay? I love makeup and like hair, so that's what I wanted to do. So we are bleaching the hair today. Y'all, I don't have that much 30 developer, and I'm like, oh my god, only need it for the first 2 rounds, and we should be okay. We should have enough to be okay. I'm hoping. It's not that much hair, so I shouldn't have a problem. But before I do that, I'm gonna go shave my hair, okay? I'm about to go cut this, y'all, because the hair is just disgusting. Okay, I would never let it, I should have never let it get like this. Yeah, I know what I always say when I do my hair. When I start seeing the baby balls, it's time to cut. Also, I just haven't been feeling myself when my hair is not done. I just feel like really Roman. Really? Right now, dude. It's like, y'all, I'm just never myself. My hair's not done, and I need to do it. So I'm about to go cut this. Y'all, this is the squeaky, so I should never gave it to him. And I'm gonna go shave my brows, okay? I'm gonna arch them, basically shaving. They're gonna look shaved when I bleach them anyway. But y'all will see me right when we start the video. Okay, y'all. So your girl just got through cutting her hair and my eyebrows, okay? This is where we are. BB balls are gone. I had to help let my mom cut the back of it so she can sew, because I couldn't see it. Now, y'all, I always say this, make sure you got your tools. You get a bleach towel or a towel you already bleached that you can use again. Get an old shirt, because this stuff is gonna get everywhere. You think it won't, it will. Always, that's why I try not to wear my good pants. And I got an audience of a one-member Roman looking at me, and his tail is wagging every time. So yeah, I got my grease, y'all. I'm gonna have to grease my edges, because you do not want to burn your skin. Last thing you want is like chemical burns. And yes, you could be like, girl, that only come from perms. Girl, this is straight chemicals. Okay, so yeah, just always be careful. Y'all, I was definitely in need of a hairdo. Oh my god, like my hair has not been cut in like about 2.5 weeks, but I also haven't recorded a hair video in a while. I was like, I just been focusing on my homework and stuff, so I gotta get back to what I need to do. Okay, I'm so ready for this hair. Y'all, I did not have that much, like I said earlier, I did not have that much 30 developer. That's all I got. But I also only have a little hair, so I should make this into 2. It's literally, stop licking my cover, Roman. Why would you do that? Why would he do that? But yeah, I don't have that much hair, so it should be okay. So let's just start the process, and then I'm gonna let this stuff sit on here for the longest, which will be like 50 minutes. Yeah, I already got a feeling I'm gonna be up to like 3 a.m. doing this. Let's just start, because I already know I started too late. It is currently 10:41. Probably like 1 a.m. Yeah, probably 1 a.m. Not probably like 2 a.m. We'll see. Let's just start. Remember, girl, you only got this much, so let's see. Y'all actually might have to do like only 1 round of this. And this stuff is already getting everywhere. I'm gonna at least cover my pants, because then like I got my plaid pajamas on. And I don't care about the shirt. Okay, y'all, so I should have brought my other light, but y'all, look where we at. So this is, I put the second round of hair already, because it was just that little bit of the 30 developer, y'all. I was like, I hope it's gone color, and I'm happy it did. I just washed this out. I just got to put in grease on my head. Woo, we got the blackout. That's so cool to say, the blackout. So now we can get into this, y'all. I'm so excited the black is gone. I would never ever just leave my hair like this, ever. So I do have my next batch made. This is the 20 developer, and I'm officially out of developer. So I plan on going to the hair store next week and stocking up. And If y'all want to know what kind of hair bleach I use, it's this right here. I have a little bit more in here. I use the Clairol Professional. This is what I use. And this is the type of bleach, what is it called? Developer. This is the developer I use. I use 30 and I use 20. Never use 50 on my hair. I believe that's going to make it turn slower. But yeah, let's just start. Y'all, today actually it's midnight right now, y'all. It just turned it's like 12:20, I believe. I was like, this is going to take all night, but it's okay. I only got 2 or 3 more rounds. I was over here thinking, what am I going to do for spring break? I just got to turn in my midterm that I've been working on. She did, y'all, the professor told us in an email, and she put it on Blackboard, that it's best to have it, do it early, because we had it for a whole week. She gave it to us really early, because she said it takes it's a case study and a lot of questions. This is my finance, it's an online finance class. She told us that you need about 6 through 8 hours, and I was like, yeah, I'll give it a day, and it's due tomorrow, and I finished it day before yesterday, but I fully went over it today and just turned it in. Y'all, I'm over here learning how to calculate debt and doing W-2s from scratch. Oh my god, it's so stressful. If y'all major in accounting, y'all are some freaking gods, because there's no way. But yeah, I'm excited to get back in that. Now I'm so excited to get through my makeup again, because I can sit over here. And y'all, by the way, I love this mirror. I think I'm going to do a video. I know I showed it in my bedroom tour, but I think I'm going to do a video on some of my favorite pieces and just talk more about them, because I love this mirror. This mirror is so freaking pretty. I'm all for a good decor piece. And my PC look cool from back here. Oh, I didn't tell y'all this. Dang, I got lights on my PC now, baby steps. It's on my TikTok. So, I'll tell y'all why I'm doing this. I ordered them from Amazon. They were 3 for $22. So I got 2 sets of them. So it was really $40 or $50. I got for a total of 6. And there's 5 in there. We couldn't get the fan at the bottom. We couldn't open that one. But yeah, we got that, and then with the RAM sticks, that we got the colored RAM sticks now. Yeah, this PC looking clean. The white is just, I wanted white because the white LED looks so nice, and it looked blue, but it's just so nice. I didn't want all the color, my sister, they got LED RAM sticks, but I don't know, I couldn't find those. But I'm okay with I'm okay with that being the only color. I didn't want no more of that bright color throughout it. I was like, yeah, the white looked clean enough. So yeah, I'm gonna let this sit on here. So I let the first round and the second round sit on for 15 minutes. I'm gonna let this sit on here for about the same time, but probably 40 minutes. Once when I bleach my hair, since it's gonna start turning quicker now, I kind of start just slowing down the time. So we'll probably do 40 through 45 minutes. Then I'll wash it out. We'll start the next one. This is where we are, y'all. Looking really good. So I just got to washing this out. It's officially almost 1:30 in the morning. My dog just woke up. He's so tired of me. I got a jump scare. I was on the computer because I'm ordering clothes, y'all. Video coming soon. The alarm went off and he woke up bloodshot eyes. He was knocked out asleep. I was like, oh my god, that scared me too. So I let that last batch stay on 45 minutes. It's so funny when I say batch, they're a tray of cookies. So I'm also gonna let this one stay on for 45 minutes because it's gonna turn brighter. Okay, so let's just start. And also, I am going to, next time y'all see me, most likely I'm going to have my eyebrows bleached, depending on if I need to put any more bleach on this, because this is the 4th round. So toward the end, I always do my eyebrows last, and I will be doing them in here toward the end. I will do them at the 10-minute mark, yeah, because this might turn quicker, and I'll see how these look, and if I need to put more, I could do it in that 10 minutes. So yeah, and we'll also make sure you do your grease over your eyebrows. So y'all see me with the blonde brows next as well. Actually, I gotta make sure I don't forget that because I forgot them before. And this is the color, y'all. We are officially done with the hair. Oh my god, it's a new day. It's morning. The makeup is done. You can check this look out on the next video. Y'all, let me zoom in and look at the color. It looks so good. Yeah, I got done. Yeah, I went to bed at around like almost 5 a.m. I'm not joking. Been doing my hair all like early in the morning. Started at like 11, finished at 3. That's crazy. But yeah, the color looks so pretty. I love how it turned out. Now I'm all put together and I'm back myself, y'all. Also, I did dye the brows. I just fill them in with my light eyebrow powder. That's why I bleach my brows. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is a long process and I'm happy it's over. I did do 5 rounds. I put the little extra because I had to re-bleach my brows because they didn't turn all the way. So I put the rest of the excess bleach on there and just let that all sit for like 25 minutes. And then I just put my, y'all, I just thought about something. I did not use my purple shampoo. I'll probably do that tonight. I literally just put conditioner on this stuff. Oh my god. What is wrong with me? Yeah, I'm about to rewash this hair tonight and just use my purple shampoo. That's crazy. I forgot the purple shampoo. Yeah, I'm gonna fix that tonight. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.